Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, good morning vlog. So today we are having our first business casual day, so that's why we're all dressed so fleet, you know. But we woke up a little bit late because Jacob's alarm didn't go off. So we're all a little tired, so we're drinking coffee, tea.
I had coffee earlier.
Coffee already, tea second, and that has caffeine in it, so yeah, getting a little hype.
I haven't had coffee in at least a year and a half. I don't drink soda. I don't eat a lot of sugar. This is my second cup of coffee.
By choice.
By choice.
I can basically see the Matrix, bro. Alrighty.
So we're about to start our first surgery.
For real.
You know, getting trained as doctors, and
We're gonna go dissect the brain. Yeah.
For real. In Guano, Ecuador.
Yep.
Nah, but for real though, we're gonna go see some shoes be made.
Yeah.
For real. The Zapatos factory. Zapatos? The day.
Alright, there was a bug on my shirt. I looked down, I didn't even notice it. Max was looking over there at the bug, like flying around, like almost about to catch it. I don't know. You gotta get some chopsticks.
For real. So, we'll see how this day goes. Today is the coffee day.
By the end of this trip, he's gonna be a coffee and like coffee superstar.
And to be honest, this is all Kristen's fault. She's the one who helped me get the first cup of coffee. That's what's up. Alrighty.
See you on the bus vlog.
Oh no.